So you're browsing a website thinking, what WordPress theme is that? I'll show you a couple ways how to find it out. Couple of websites, an add-on, and the manual way. Here's how to figure it out. Just go to whatwordpressthemeisthat.com and paste the website URL into their search box. I'll use blog.majestic.com as an example. Hit that detect theme button and wait a second. You'll see the exact theme name pop up, plus the version, who made it, and what it's supposed to do. Scroll down a bit more and you'll also see what plugins they're running. This matters because half the cool stuff you're seeing might actually be coming from plugins, not the theme itself. Sometimes that first site doesn't catch everything though. When that happens, try wpthemedetector.com instead. Same deal, paste the URL, click analyze, but this one sometimes picks up details the other one missed or not. Here's something that'll save you time. Get the WordPress Theme Detector browser extension. Just search for it in your browser's extension store. Once you install it, you can check any WordPress site with one click. The little icon lights up when you're on a WordPress site. Click it, and boom, theme info right there. Now, if those tools aren't working for some reason, you can still figure it out manually. Right-click on the page, pick View Page Source, then hit Ctrl+F and search for WP content/themes. Look for that path in the code, and you'll see the theme name right after theme/ in the URL. Once you know what theme they're using, you've got everything you need. Now you just search for the theme name online and see where to download or buy it.